Clinical data is information collected from participants who have consented to take part in a clinical trial, as well as information collected from the trial staff.
What sort of data will be collected from me if I participate in a clinical trial?
Depending on the trial and the local laws in your region, the data collected may include information such as your age, prior or current health conditions, possible trial-related side effects, and other treatments you may be taking. Data can also be collected from the analysis of blood, urine, and tissue samples, genetic makeup, medical images, sonograms, ECGs, or X-rays at specific time points. These test results will produce the data required to understand how the treatment is working. There may also be other tests or procedures depending on the trial design, which will help the trial staff collect data to answer questions in the trial.
How is data collected?
Data is collected by trial staff at the trial site. This may be at a hospital, clinic, or remotely at a mobile site, for example, a community pharmacy or even your home, if the trial design allows it. The data is collected while the trial is running. The protocol will define your last visit. Once this visit is reached, the trial staff will not collect any more data from you. You can also provide data via a handheld device, a tablet, or a wearable device. Participants' identifiers, such as name and date of birth, are replaced by a unique patient number. This is called coded data. This unique patient number keeps your identity protected during data collection. No one outside of the clinic will know your identity.
So, once the trial staff have the data, what do they do with it?
Trial staff will analyze the data according to an approved plan to learn more about the treatment. Once the trial staff have collected and analyzed the trial data from all the participants, conclusions are made. There are strict regulatory requirements for the results to be published as a clinical study report, regardless of the outcome of the trial. It is important for the results to be shared transparently while benefiting the public and protecting patient privacy. Depending on the results, the trial staff may decide to conduct further trials to learn more about the treatment. Trial data can also be combined with other trials focused on a similar research question to determine overall trends and learn more about the medical condition being studied.
How important is my data?
Participant data is very important. Trial staff need information from many participants from different age groups, races, and medical backgrounds. The data helps trial staff learn whether the treatment is safe and effective for all people or for a certain group of people. Participant safety is the most important factor in a trial and is required by clinical trial regulations.
Do I have to participate for the full duration of the trial?
It is important to stay to the end of the trial, but you can leave at any point if you wish.
If I withdraw from the trial, what happens to the data? Will it be removed?
If you leave the trial, no more additional data will be collected from you without your consent. Once the data is collected, there is no way to modify or remove it, as per the regulation. The data collected before you decide to leave will be integrated into the existing analysis. The data is tracked for audit purposes, therefore it cannot be erased or deleted. This also ensures trial staff are not deleting undesirable data that might impact the analysis. It is essential for the trial staff to be transparent with the regulators.
Can the data be shared with my healthcare practitioner?
This depends on the country or region you are based in and is outlined in the informed consent form. The trial staff will address any of your concerns as part of the consent process. You can talk with the trial staff about when the overall trial results will be publicly available. So, we have talked about the importance of data and its collection. Next, we can talk about how data is analyzed by trial staff to answer participants' questions.